Plant once, harvest forever. Let's do this. So here we go. I have one bed out the front there. It's got 3 plants that I'd really like to share with you. So what you do, plant them once and zero maintenance basically. They look after themselves and you'll harvest from them forever. Okay, so first up, beautiful rhubarb. Just needs to put it in. You can leave it very, very low maintenance and just take what you want from it. At the end of the growing season, if you haven't ate it all, just pluck off the sprouts and it'll come back next year. A great doer. Okay, so here's a nice easy one. Mint. I use this for tea. Grows really, really well. Word of a warning though, don't plant it on its own in the bed. Put it in a tub first because the roots will go everywhere and it'll be covered. So pop it in a container and then drop it into the bed. And this will keep on producing. At the end of the year, you just need to cut it back. New season, new plant. As simple as that. Okay, last but not least, it's a lovely rosemary bush. You plant this in, you will need to tame it. As you can see, it grows pretty quick, but great herb. Just stays green all year round. Chop what you need, very easy to propagate. And like I said, once it's in, you can just take from it forever. All you need to do, bit of maintenance, chop off the growth at the end of the year, and just it'll harvest forever.